Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel, Sean's Specialty. So if you're new here, thank you so much for joining me, and let's get right into it. So first, we are making a frozen hot chocolate. Now guys, I personally like to switch it up from hot chocolate to frozen hot chocolate. So I'm going to teach you how to make it. So first, you get 4 cups of ice and ice cubes, and you pour it into your blender, and then you get 2 cups of, I got Silk chocolate milk, but you can get any chocolate milk you like. And you get 2 cups of that, and then you get 1 cup of organic hot chocolate, or if you have the packets, it's 4 of them, either one. And then you pour your 2 cups in there. Here, pour it in all the way. Perfect. And then you pour your 1 cup in. And then put your thing on and here we go. All good. Perfect. And now let's check. Whoa, I think it's done. All good. Perfect. Now, you get your cup, take it, pour it out, pour it out, and there you go. And now, I'll get a spoon. And guys, now you put some whipped cream. Perfect. And then you get some chocolate sprinkles or chocolate shavings, whichever ones you like. You just sprinkle them on there. Here we go, perfect. Now, leave a comment down below if you like it, like and subscribe. See you on the next one, guys. Bye.